Seriously, you don't know? Imaginons, Français, or IFC is basically an organization that holds a conference every year for new recruits.
Yeah.
So our job is to teach our recruits about the French culture and the French language. And the biggest way that we do this is with the conference.
Oh, okay.
Exactly, which is why we need to make sure this conference is perfect. Hey, we have a huge problem. The Mona Lisa has been stolen, and the only thing the thief left was this note that reads, Kila Bay!
There's no fingerprints, mistakes, stains, nothing. We need ideas, so let's hear them.
We can call up our best agents from all over, use our best resources, and hope for the best.
That'll never work. That's gonna take too much time and money that we don't have.
Wait, what if we lured the thief in? Maybe at our conference.
Oh my dear!
Yeah, are you crazy? We can't let someone who stole the Mona Lisa be in the same room as our new recruits.
It's a good idea. We can lure him in and trap him.
I don't know, guys.
Right now, I don't think we have a choice.
You're right, this is our only opportunity and we only have one shot to get this right. Now, assignments, finance. You guys will be handling the money, so you're gonna have the first opportunity to be on the lookout for the thief.
Coordinators, we need as much help as possible. You will have to come up with activities that will keep our new recruits busy. The thief could be anywhere. Be on the lookout.
Promotions, get the word out fast. We need the thief to come to the conference that's expecting us. Also, get out the word to the new recruits. We also need their help too.
And logistics, try to make paintings. They need to look as close to the Louvre as possible. This will help lure the thief in.
Everybody got it?
We!
Good, the conference is soon and we need to be prepared. Be ready, because we're finally gonna find out.
Kila Bay!